In this video we are going to locate the onboard diagnostic connector and the fuses. This is done on a Vauxhall 61 plate and it's a Corsa. And there's the onboard diagnostic connector. To locate the fuses we may have to go into the engine bay. If we go to this box here, and there's your fuses and the relays. Normally on the fuse box on the other side of the panel you got the diagram. So you have that facing the right way. You'll be able to locate the correct fuses. Let's work from there. You just work from there to there. And it's the same with the relays also.